Yes, yes, yes. This is Big Ben. I'm live. I'm live. I'm live. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to the channel, my name is Big Ben, and I am a full-time trader, full-time swing trader. I trade the financial markets Monday through Friday. I day trade them, and I swing trade the crypto market. So, if that's something that you want to learn more about, definitely hit that subscribe button. Because what I do, I just pretty much focus on the chart and take patterns, take trades based on the patterns, and that's how I make my money. So if you are definitely interested in that and you want to learn more, definitely hit that subscribe button. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Shout out to everybody that's coming in the room. And during this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. So let's get this party started. Let me give everybody a round of applause. I'm hoping everybody is having a good day so far, a good week. So let's give everybody a round of applause. Shout out to everybody here on that Friday night. So let's get to the charts. But before I get to the charts, let's see if I see anybody in the chat room. Hey, what's going on? Eric, Ken, Travis, Cedric, Randy, Dom, Neil, Keith, Tim, Glenn. What's going on, everybody? Okay, thanks a lot for coming through. So let's see what's going on in the crypto world. Okay, let's see. Let's refresh the coin market cap. Let's see what's going on. Let's refresh. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Okay, I see 223 billion. All right. Dominance is going down a little bit. It's still at 50%, but it's going down. Okay, we see XRP at 23%. That's what's up. That's what's up. Bitcoin Cash 14%. EOS 21%. All right, so we see these nice double-digit numbers. That's what's up. Stellar at 9%. Litecoin 10%, nice. Cardano 15%, so that's good. Tron 19%, IOTA 19%, so that's good. We're seeing some good numbers. Okay. VeChain up 33. Whoa, nice. So nice little comeback. And of course, if you have any questions or you're new to the channel, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know, because I've been doing this for 11 years. So just let me know if you have any questions. So what do I see right now? I just basically see a typical pullback in a bear market. Okay, we're always going to have pullbacks. It's just how the market works. Even in the bull market, okay, we're going to have pullbacks. So this pullback was it was definitely due, right? We needed a pullback. So that's good that we are seeing prices in the chart pulling back on all these, especially these altcoins, because a lot of these altcoins was getting wrecked, right? They was going down, they're getting crushed. So we definitely needed some type of pullback. So that's good. I'm glad I'm seeing some type of pullback. Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin right now. Okay, so Bitcoin looks good. It looks like it's trying to break this level right here. Most likely it will. And most likely we will probably hit that 68 and probably flirt with that 7,000 level. Okay, maybe 68, 69, 7,000. We're probably going to flirt with that level. Okay, and then we'll see from there. But let's see if I see any questions in the chat. Shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for coming through. Let me see. All right, what's going on, Keith? Dom said Bulls are back. Shout out to the Bulls. The boys are back in the town. Go Bulls. Go Bulls. Hey, what's going on? Leslie Savage. What's going on, Bima? Bro. Let me see who else. Man, definitely hit those likes. It's early in the stream, but you can hit those likes. Tim said I made $600 off of Tron. That's good. So did you go long? I'm guessing you went long, so that's good. That's good. Good to see that. Let me actually give you that cha-ching button. All right. Glad you're making some money. Law said killed it with ONT. That's what's up. You making that money? All right. Good to see people making money in this current market. Bimmer Boy said a YouTuber's already saying that BTC found. Yeah, I know. It's ridiculous. Ken said, "Oh snap! It's been my favorite YouTuber." Shout out to you, Ken. Let me see what I think about Wan Chain. I don't know. I didn't look at the chart lately, or period. Kevin said, "How soon could Bitcoin hit 7,000 again? Do you see it dropping again to 6,000 soon?" So yes, overall we still are in a bear market, so I definitely see Bitcoin going down. Okay, this is how a bear market acts. You know, it plays with your emotions. So I don't know when it will hit 7,000. I don't know if it will hit 7,000. I don't know if it's going to hit 7,000. Okay. It definitely looks like we are going to go up a little bit. Okay, it don't have to go to 7,000 when we go up though. So number one, I don't know if we are. I don't know if Bitcoin is going to even hit 7,000. And do I think we're going to go back to 6,000? Yes. Overall, we had multiple chances, right? The market went up here. Okay. We should have went up. The market went back down. We went up here. We should have went up. Okay, but the market went back down. So this was the last chance right here. Okay, we should have went up. It is what it is. Now, can Bitcoin just shoot back up? I mean, anything is possible. Anything is possible, but I'm going with the odds. Okay, the odds are telling me that it's not likely. And we've been going down, making lower lows for the whole year. So the way this looks, okay, like I said before, we had a chance right here. The way it looks right now, the way it dropped down like this, it pretty much wiped out 90% of all its gains based on this move right here. Okay, so when a market just shoot down like this, that first pullback for the most part is that it's going to turn into another leg down. So it doesn't make any sense, in my opinion, for Bitcoin to go this low, just to go right back up. Okay, so I'm just my opinion, and most likely we went down here just to go right back down to test these lows. Doesn't make no sense for it to go down here and not to test these lows, because I'm quite sure the bears know that there's a lot of stop losses below this inverse head and shoulder. Okay, a lot of people bought, a lot of bulls bought based on this inverse head and shoulders, because because the whole crypto world was going crazy off of this. All right, so the bears know that there's a lot of stops below this inverse head and shoulder. So it's hard for me to see they not not for Bitcoin not to go back down. Let me see if I see any questions here. Law said $2,000 gain on what? Flip Vibs, what's going on? What's good? Sell off beat Bitcoin around 7. Flip. Do you have my course? If you have my course, then you know you just wait for setups. Let me see. Kevin said, just improve my position on ADA big time. What do you, Kevin? What do you mean by that? You improve your position on ADA. Let me know what you mean by that. Let me see what else. Yeah, Lars. You said 2,000 gain. Let me know what you bought. What you know. Let me know. Ken said, is going to be a long bear market just as good as it's going short in the bear market? Oh, you said, is it long? Okay, is long going good in the bear market? You know, it's up to you. Me personally, I don't like doing it, but it's up to you. I know that going short will give you more high probability trades, and you probably win more going short in the bear market. You know, it's just the opposite of a bull market. Would you want to short in a bull market? I think your answer would be no. Okay, so there you go. The reason why we're getting a lot of these bounces is because we are in this crazy range. We are in this crazy range right here. So that's why you're seeing a lot of bounces. Let me see if I see here. Kevin said, Ben, you deserve 10K subscribers soon. You can see Cardano hit 5 cents. Shout out to you, Kevin. Cardano. You said can you see Cardano hitting 5 cents? So let me zoom out. I don't know why they ain't showing me the whole chart. Let's see if I can get a different chart than this. I think that's the only chart here, but I mean, anything is possible. If Bitcoin continues to go down, then what is the low? Let me see. So if Cardano was at 8 cents, yeah, I mean, if Bitcoin continued to go down, it could definitely go to 5 cents. Leslie Savage said, I know the trolls are happy. No, they're not happy. They're not happy at all. I think they learned a lesson. Well, I'm not gonna say most of them learned a lesson, but a lot of them probably did. You know, because they know that. Well, a lot of people don't know, but you can't get happy too quick. And I'm quite sure the old trolls figure that out. So the old trolls won't come in. Maybe some new trolls, but the old trolls won't come in my chat room because they know that every time they talk trash, the market goes right back down. Oh man, that's funny. On NAT, so that's what's up. So you made 2,000. That's what's up, man. That's good. Let me give you that cha-ching button, Lars. Making his money. That's what's up. Carlo said, I bought your course. Still learning a lot. Thanks, Ben. No, shout out to you, Carlo. Thanks a lot for buying my course. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot for the support. I appreciate it, man. I'm glad that you are learning. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to my channel. If you have any questions, let me know. I've been doing this for 11 years. Okay. For some reason, if you think that the market will turn around from here and go to 50K or whatever K, let me know and state your reasons. You know, don't say that you just think Bitcoin is going to go up. You know, state your reasons why. Why do you think Bitcoin is going to reverse this time and go to 50K? Let me know. But if you have any more questions, let me know in the chat box. Let's see what I have in the chat room right now. Jonathan said, "Oh, Big Ben, you are pessimist, man. Be careful." I don't know what you mean by be careful. Okay, Jonathan, I don't know if you're still listening right now. But you know, I don't know what you mean by be careful. Okay, because number one, you know, your guys are seeing one big bar, one green bar, and you know, I get one troll. I get one troll because the market is up one green bar. But the trolls, this is how most people don't understand how bad they are programmed. Okay, this is how bad these guys got it. These guys are so, you know, much, they program so much to the point where they don't realize there's no sides. I'm not against the bulls. I'm not against the bears. I take trades because of the direction of the market. This is how I know most of the trolls are so brainwashed that they can't really understand what I'm doing. Okay. And, you know, some people will never basically make it to the next level because they only think one way. He said I'm too negative, but I'm not negative. I'm stating the facts. Okay? You want me to make moon videos and tell you that Bitcoin is going to 50K. Meanwhile, I have students that's making money currently right now in the market. Okay? So you have to ask yourself, do you want me to lie to you or do you want to make money? At the end of the day, that's the question you have to ask yourself. So you shouldn't be mad at me. You should be mad at the market because I don't control the market. I'm just stating facts. I come on my live stream and I say, guys, we are in the bear market. That's a fact. Guys, we're going down. That's a fact. I'm not saying, guys, we're going to 50K because that's not a fact. That's based on your beliefs. Okay? So for your trolls out here that get happy, I don't know why people are happy because they see one green bar anyway. That's number one. I don't know why they didn't learn a lesson from all these other pullbacks. But anyway, you have to understand that I'm not against nobody. Okay, it's not me against the bulls. It's not me against nobody. I am a professional trader, so I take trades based on the direction. If you can't understand that, then I don't know. You know, I don't know what you're doing right now. You should be doing something else. So let me see. Let me see what's going on here. The trolls have started coming out the woods. Man, for one green bar, like I said, they don't learn a lesson from here. I don't get it. But anyway, I'm not even worried about those guys. Let me see. Kevin said, I did a large swing trade on Cardano and got 25% today. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. Hey, what's going on, Rufus? Okay, so Bema, I wanted to touch on what Bema just said. He said he met a guy. Okay, he met a guy who's been holding BTC since 10K, hoping to break even someday. Okay. And that's a good thing, because I'm glad you said that, because the whales and the big dogs, they know that. And, you know, they know a lot of people want to break even. Okay. So my theory is the reason why they didn't go up to 9K and 10K is because those levels right there, 9K and 10K, are break even levels for a lot of people. So in order for the whales to continue to take money from you, they can't make you sell. They can't. You have to continue to hold bags and continue to lose. This is how they make their money. Someone has to lose. So, you know, that's my theory. The reason why the market is going down right now. I mean, the reason why it didn't go up to 9K or 10K. Let's see if I see any questions here. If you have any questions, let me know. Like I said before, if you feel some type, you know, if you feel that the market is going to go up from here, for whatever reason, let me know in the chat. I want to hear your reasons. Okay, just don't say, yes, I think the market is going to go up. You know, state your reasons. Let me see. Neil said, Ben, would I wake up rich? It's time to sleep here now. Let me see here. John Xavier said, you think Bitcoin is going to the moon when New York Stock Exchange open up? How do you think the bear market will last? How long? I don't know if you said, because you didn't say how long. Well, first of all, let me ask you this, John. When is the stock exchange, John? When is the stock exchange going to open up? Let me ask you that. Yeah, no problem. John said, you're the man. Thanks a lot, John. Neil said, look, Bitcoin pumping now in the chart. That's, you know, you guys are using the wrong, I don't know. I guess what it is, it's not pumping. It's just going up. Let me see. Yeah, no problem, Lars. I'm reading these questions right now. Flip said, so you didn't answer my question, Ben. What do you think BTC was going to, what's the highest it can go before the sell-off? Flip, I don't know what's the highest it can go, okay? If you go to the 4 hour, right? The 4 hour right here, the next level of resistance is around 6,800. So who knows? Let's see. Let me see. I'm reading these questions, guys. What's going on, Sean? Sean said, is this real or fake? For right now, we are still in the bear market, so any rally is fake. Every single pullback is fake. Let me see. Ben, you know Sweden? Yeah, I heard about that. the New York Stock Exchange launched today. The Bitcoin Stock Exchange launched today, Neil. No, that was John. I'm sorry, John. Yeah, John, did you answer my question yet? I don't know if John answered my question yet. John, the New York Stock Exchange, you said I'm hearing in November. Yeah, so even if it opens up in November, it doesn't mean anything. Okay, let me say something for you guys, okay? And shout out to everybody that's here. If you're new to the channel, thanks a lot. Okay, thanks a lot. Let me give you guys a round of applause if you're new to the channel. Welcome. Welcome. Okay, and if you have any questions, let me know. And if for some reason you think Bitcoin will go up from here, please state your reasons. Okay, I would love to look at it and and probably debate you a little bit, but let me know if you have reasons why you think Bitcoin is going to go up from here and go to 50K. So you said that in November, okay? It doesn't matter when anything opens up when it comes to Bitcoin. Guys, you have to understand. First of all, you have to not rely on a source, okay? For you guys that's just waiting and holding and waiting, you can't rely on anything that the news tell you that is going to help the market. You can't rely on that. You have to understand how this game works, okay? It's controlled by people that are looking to take your money. Most people just can't get that, in their head. Like you have to understand, this market is not for you to win. It's designed to take your money. Okay? It's not designed for you to go to the moon, make $1 million, and buy some Lambos. Yes, a lot of people made money from this. A lot of people made money from this, but a lot of people lost money from this. Okay? The people that got in the beginning, they benefited from this, and that was like 10 years ago. Okay, we are in a different market, and the reason why I'm saying that is because now the government is stepping in right now. Okay, if this market was still regulated, the words that's coming out my mouth, it would be much different, because I will look at the market like it's unregulated and is not touched by the government, and I would say, listen, anything is possible. We can hit 50K. Okay, but you have to understand who you're dealing with now. You have to understand who control the market. It's not for you to win. Okay, most people don't understand that. Well, they will still not understand it, even though I'm continue. Even though I say it 50 times, they think that everything is so everything is so good. That's why that other guy, Jonathan, I don't know, he said, "Oh man, why are you so negative?" I'm not negative. I understand how things work. So you have to understand, it doesn't matter if the New York Stock Exchange open, ETFs come out. It doesn't matter. This whole market itself is still not regulated. So Wall Street is not going to flood in until this whole market becomes regulated. You have to understand that this whole market has to get regulated and become regulated before anything can happen. Let me see what's going on here. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions, like I said before, if you have any questions, if you're new to the channel, have any questions, let me know. If you feel that this is it, we're going to the moon, state the reason why, or state your reasons, and I will look at it. Let me see. Leonard said, I just joined the chat. Bitcoin is going down. Shout out to you, Leonard. Let me see. Crypto Gang said, I bought Neo at 17 and sold at 1763. Could have sold at 20, so they're mad. Crypto gains. Let me explain something to you, and not just crypto gains. You have to understand. First of all, if you bought on Neo, so let's look at Neo real quick, okay? Let's look at Neo. So you bought it at 17, and you sold it at 17. First of all, you didn't know it was going to go up this far, okay? So you can't beat yourself up, okay? So when you get in a trade, especially if you're going against the trend, you have to know where you want to take your profits at, okay? So you can't beat yourself up because you took profit, because you don't know if Neo is going to go up this high. Okay, Neo could have said, you know what, I'm not going up this high. I'm going to reverse, and you could have lost on that trade. So you have to understand, you know, don't worry about trades, how far trades go after you sell it. Let me see. Sean said, any hope? Hope, what are you talking about? As in what? Leonard said, I heard XRP hitting $5. Yeah, I heard that too. What's your idea about Tron? Not really, nothing. You know, everything is going down right now. Tron's going down, everything is going down. So Tron is hitting this nice little moving average right here. You have to understand, guys, these altcoins, they got crushed. So these big moves that you're seeing right now is just normal. Okay. So, you know, it is what it is. Lennon said, according to YouTubers, they know that Tron is going to $50. Yeah, I know. Leslie Savage said the market lacks volume. I agree. JG said, funny, people are trying to find hope with news. Nothing has been good this year. Okay. And shout out to you, JG. You are 100% correct. You know, it's funny how people, they want news and other stuff to help them, and they don't understand that they are the one. Okay, you are the one. You don't need no help. You can actually help yourself. So let me see if I see any questions. Yeah, people want to get rich overnight, of course. Okay, unfortunately. Down 90%, pump 30%. People are happy, I guess. Yeah, I guess. It's all right. April said, realistic is not the same as being negative. Stay realistic, Ben. Thanks a lot, April. I appreciate it. And April, I'm quite sure you're not new to the channel, because it sounds like you're not new to the channel, but are you new to the live stream? I don't think I never saw you make a comment, but shout out to you. I do appreciate that. Okay, Keith said, Ben Course says success and pain are the same thing, getting rich. Never happened overnight. Goodness gracious. Shout out to Keith, throwing out those gems. That is so true. That is so true. Success and pain is the same thing. Okay, you can't separate it. It's impossible. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Okay, if you don't have the course by now, check it out. On a live stream, I usually give you guys a discount. So if you guys don't have this course by now, you're missing out. Because the reason why you're missing out, because you don't know how to make money right now. Okay, this course will basically give you that stress-free life that you've been looking for. Okay, most people are so, oh my gosh, I don't know what's going on. Okay, this course will help you out. I have the testimonials to back it up. So during the live stream, I give you guys a discount. So let me get this out of the way. Okay, if you have a 9 to 5, doesn't matter. You can still trade the market because we deal with these high time frames. And you know, you can start with a little bit, with $50 or $100. So I just put the course down and give you guys the discount. So let me give you that link. And when I get off the live stream, it's going to go back to the regular price. And if you do decide to get it today, right? If you decide to become a professional, and if you want to learn how me and my students are making money right now, and if you want to learn how I made money with BTC off this trade right here, off this top trade, basically I got in at the top right here. If you want to learn how I did that, definitely get that course. But if you do get the course, email me with proof, because I created a Discord room, and you know, you'll be a part of the Discord room with me and my students. We post charts, so definitely email me with proof that you bought the course. So anyway, so right now, guys, it looks like Bitcoin probably going to test that 67, 68 level. There's no guarantee, guys, though. It don't have to test this level, okay? It looks like it. I know. I trust me. I know. Okay. It looks like it's going to go to the moon right now. Trust me. I know. Okay. But it don't have to go up to 60, 68 level. But you know, if it does, it does. Let me see if I see any questions here. Love, yeah, XRP holders news come out and it still doesn't mean anything. Exactly. Yeah, news doesn't mean anything in the market. Bitcoin gonna fold like a cheap wall, like a cheap Walmart chair. Shout out to Kelly Good. You bought Neo at 13. Never thought it would go that low. So shout out to Laws. Welcome to a bear market where everything goes low. You know, everything that's pumping right now it is what it is. Let me see. Hey, what's going on, Michelle? You said, would you miss? You didn't really miss anything. Basically, I was telling the group that Bitcoin is pulling back. Okay, it's just doing a regular pullback in a bear market. It looks like we might test the 68 level, the 6800 level, or we might not even go that far. Okay, but if it does go up to the 68 level, then it might flirt with the 7,000, and we go from there. Okay. I like to take things day by day. I don't like to go too much, you know, in the future. But right now, it looks like it might test the 68 level, and once it hits that 7,000, we go from there. But this is what I'm seeing right now. These other altcoins, they pulling back, but you know, you have to understand they got crushed last week. So I definitely expect some type of pullback. But you know, this dominance, this BTC dominance, this dominance let me know that most likely it will continue to go like that the whole year. Okay, so if Bitcoin dominance is all of a sudden growing like this, right? Because we didn't really have that, right? We didn't really have that this whole drop this whole year. Okay, all of a sudden when Bitcoin was dropping or actually going up right here, okay, all of a sudden Bitcoin was just, the dominance was just creeping up like crazy. So that tells me that most likely we will continue to see Bitcoin dominance go up, maybe for the whole year. Let me see if I see any questions here. And if you're new to the channel, if you feel like this is the bottom and we going to the moon, please let me know. State your facts. I want to see them. So let's see. I get everyone wants hope and to believe something, but the market doesn't care about people's feelings. Exactly. That's reality. You can buy and hold and lose, or get Ben's course and short this market. So shout out to Keith. The market doesn't, yeah, it definitely doesn't care about your feelings at all. Okay, it definitely doesn't care about your feelings at all, and we see it. So shout out to April. She says no, she not. You've been several times on your chat. Okay, yeah, I know. I'm quite sure you've been here. I don't know if you ever typed into the box. I'm not too sure, but shout out to you. Thanks a lot for coming through. Let me see. Michelle said buy the course, very detailed, great for beginners. So shout out to Michelle. Thanks a lot. Leonard said, Keith, I learned the hard way when I first came into crypto. I got too attached to these coins. I got wrecked several times. Yes. So a lot of people are very attached to their coins. And I was like that too. So I think that's a phase that everyone has to go through. You know, everyone goes through that phase where they are very, they love their coin. When I first started out, it was stocks. So, you know, I love certain stocks, but you know, when 2008 came, I got wrecked. Let me see here. Keith said I was in love with XRP and they kept watching the price go down. Oh man. Yeah, so for everybody that thinks that this is the bottom and we're going to the moon, let me know. And this is why, you know, I don't mind the trolls come in, because I want to hear how they think. I want to hear their thoughts, why they feel that this is the bottom, why they feel that Bitcoin is going to reverse from here and go to 50K. I want to hear it. Ben, do you think BTC is forming a head and shoulders and then go up, go down again? Yeah, it's forming some type of inverse head and shoulders, but I don't think it's going to be that crazy like last time. So yeah, I mean, it's for, I don't know if you're talking about a head and shoulders right here on this, but it's forming an inverse head and shoulder right here. Okay, shoulder right there, shoulder right there, shoulder right there. But I don't know if you're talking about a head and shoulder right here, a head right there, shoulder right there, shoulder right there. I mean, it's possible. It's possible, but it might test this high. So if it tests this high, then most likely no. Okay, but if it tests this high, it doesn't mean that we're gonna go up to 68. But 68 is definitely a level that we are definitely going to look at. Let me see here. Yeah, hit these likes. Hit these likes. I'm about to be out of here soon anyway. Shout out to everybody that's here on a Friday. Kelly said you in deep. I'm sorry to hear that. You're in deep, Kelly. Leonard said, I like Steve from Crypto Crew University, but when he gave a price prediction 11K, 122K, I was disappointed. No one really knows. So, you know, I really don't like to talk about anybody, but you know, I don't know if he really knows what he's talking about. I mean, I don't know, but it is what it is. These coins are not like 80-10 relationship, giving very little love. Exactly. It's an 80-10 relationship. 80% pain, 10% love. So shout out to you guys. Thanks a lot for coming through. Let me see if I see any more questions. Try not to make this a long chat. But if you're trying to buy these bottoms, be careful out here. You know, it's just a dangerous game. Very, very dangerous game. Let me see here. Read these questions. So yeah, guys, if you have any more questions, let me know. Let's look at Litecoin here. So Litecoin is going up to, right now is at 63, which is, you know, decent. But you got to be careful, because what could happen is we have a crazy big bar to the downside, just wiping everything down. Are they gonna catch us with a surprise red bar? We'll see. We will see. And so let me see if I see any new questions here. But thanks you guys for coming through on a Friday night. I hope you guys have a good weekend. If I don't see you guys over the weekend, I hope you have a good weekend. Please don't chase these coins. Chasing coins are the worst. It's the worst thing you can actually do. So I guess no one on this chat room or in this chat room think that the market will reverse and go to 50K, because I try to let people state their case, but no one is coming up with something. Let me see. Travis says, thanks for taking the time, Ben. We appreciate it. I'm out catching everyone later. Yeah, I'm about to be out soon. Shout out to you, Travis B. And like I said before, if you have this course by now, email me proof that you got the course, and I will show you guys. I'll give you guys a link to, we call that the link to the Discord. Okay, I will give you the link to the Discord, so you guys can chat with me and my students, look at some charts. So shout out to you guys. If you have any more, any last questions, let me know. All right, so I'm about to get out of here, guys. I hope you guys have a good weekend. Yeah, no problem, AZ, no problem, Mr. Sandy. Okay. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Make sure you study, because that's what the game is about. It's about studying. You have people that get happy off of one bar. You can tell those are the people that don't study the market. Okay, no one should get happy when you see any green bar in the bear market. Okay, you know how many times we saw green bars? We've been seeing green bars since January. A green bar here, green bar here, green bar here, green bar, green bar, green bar, green bar, green bar. So I mean, really. So the people that get happy when they see green bars in the bear market are the people that don't study, They treat this like a video game, and they don't care about their money. They just want to play like a crazy video game. So guys, make sure you study. Have a good weekend. Treat your money with some type of respect. And I'll talk to you guys later. I'll catch you guys in the chat room if I'm available. So talk to you guys later. And have a good weekend, guys.